like skin, the condition of your hair is an outward sign of inside health. The cells that make up each strand of hair require a regular supply of key nutrients. Eat the correct balance of the following nutrients including protein, vitamins and minerals to supply hair with all that it needs to remain shiny, lustrous and strong. Protein. Dip eggs with Marmite soldiers as hair is made of protein. Ensuring you have enough protein in your diet is crucial for making hair strong and healthy. If you are not consuming enough protein in your diet, your hair is likely to become dry, brittle and weak. Extremely low protein diets may result in restricted hair growth and even hair loss. Choose chicken, turkey, fish, dairy products and eggs as excellent sources of protein along with vegetarian sources such as legumes and nuts. Iron. Iron is an especially important mineral for hair, and too little iron is a major cause of hair loss. The hair follicle and root are fed by a nutrient-rich blood supply. When iron levels, serum ferritin, fall below a certain point, you may experience anemia. This disrupts the nutrient supply to the follicle, affecting the hair growth cycle and may result in shedding. Animal products such as red meat, chicken and fish provide iron with a high bioavailability, meaning the iron is readily available to the body. Vegetarians can raise their iron stores by including lentils, spinach and other leafy green vegetables such as broccoli, kale and salad greens. Vitamin C. Blueberries. Vitamin C aids the absorption of iron, so foods high in vitamin C are good to eat in conjunction with iron-rich foods. Vitamin C is also an antioxidant, so is used readily by the body. The best sources are blackcurrants, blueberries, broccoli, guava, kiwi fruits, oranges, papaya, strawberries and sweet potatoes. Vitamin C helps in the production of collagen, which strengthens the capillaries that supply the hair shafts. Omega-3. Omega-3 fatty acids are important fats our body cannot make itself, and therefore must be obtained through our diet. Omega-3 are found in the cells that line the scalp and also provide the oils that keep your scalp and hair hydrated. Look out for oily fish such as salmon, herring, sardines, trout and mackerel, and plant sources including avocado, pumpkin seeds and walnuts. Vitamin A. Pumpkin. Vitamin A is needed by the body to make sebum. Sebum is an oily substance created by our hair's sebaceous glands and provides a natural conditioner for a healthy scalp. Without sebum we may experience an itchy scalp and dry hair. Include animal products and orange, yellow-colored vegetables which are high in beta-carotene, which makes vitamin A, such as carrots, pumpkins and sweet potatoes. Zinc and selenium. Scalp protection involves other important minerals, notably zinc and selenium. A lack of zinc can lead to hair loss and a dry, flaky scalp. Fortified cereals and whole grains are a good source of zinc along with oysters, beef and eggs. Vitamin E. Nuts. The sun can damage our hair just like it can damage our skin, so ensure you eat foods rich in vitamin E to provide protection for your hair. Nuts are nutritional powerhouses, providing zinc and selenium as well as vitamin E, so try to include them as part of a balanced diet. Biotin. Biotin is a water-soluble B vitamin. Too little biotin can cause brittle hair and may lead to hair loss. Include biotin-rich foods such as whole grains, liver, egg yolk, soy flour and yeast. If you find this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you have any idea regarding healthy hair, then share with us in the comment section below. Thanks.